Hey buddies, welcome back to my channel Doing That So Relish Life with me. Hi, this is Anurupa.
Spring is busting with beautiful blooms or flowers. So, what is a beautiful way or the most aesthetic way to celebrate this spring season with some amazing, attractive botanical art? Botanical art includes pressed flower art, DIY flowers, um, glass art, glass painting, making bouquet of flowers, making floral hair accessories, etc. There are many more. Today's video includes a DIY hair accessories which will save you many money, much money rather. Because for me, I feel being an artist, being a creative person, I feel spending buying some accessories is okay, which like we can't at all make at home, but new things like flowers, art, this for this spending money, I guess it's a wastage of money. But again, another thing, when you go out for festive seasons, and you need a floral hair accessories, we basically buy flowers, but it costs us more than 100 rupees. But in this video, you will find a very cheap hair accessories, which is made from ribbon and some glue. That's it. Before digging into the main video, let's talk about the top 11 beautiful spring blooms. Spring bloom arriving in the early spring season are the daffodils. They are basically by the scientific name are called narcissus. You will get them in white, pink, orange, with or without yellow, in intense or pastel shades. The second early spring bloom is the forsythia, which is yellow in color, and the scientific name is Forsythia viridissima. The third bloom is the Magnolia grandiflora is the scientific name, and the color you will get will be pink, purple, white, and yellow. The spring bloom, which arrives from the late winter to the early spring, is the crocus. The crocus scientific name is crocus. The colors you will get will be white, yellow, orange, and purple. Flower is the hyacinth. Scientific name is hyacinthus, and the color you will get will be blue, violet blue, bluish purple, white, cream, etc. They basically arrive from the early spring to the mid-spring. Now let's talk about the mid-spring flowers. The mid-spring flowers are, first is tulip. Tulip scientific name is tulipa. The colors you will get will be red, orange, pink, yellow, and white. They basically arrive in the mid-spring. The next mid-spring bloom is the lily of the valley, white in color. Scientific name is Convallaria majalis. Bloom is the iris. The scientific name is iris. You will get in blue, pink, yellow, white, etc. They basically arrive in the late spring season. The next late spring season flower is azalea. The scientific name is Rhododendron SP. The colors are pink, orange, and white. And already told it arrives in the Let's Spring. The next flower from the next Let's Spring flower is the lilac. The colors you already know: shades of violets, shades of blue violets, red violets, etc. From light to dark shades. The scientific name of lilac is Syringa. The next Let Spring blooming flower are the most famous, the roses. The scientific name is Rosa, and definitely we all know the colors are pink, red, yellow, orange, white, and some more colors, etc. So today in this video we'll be making a rose DIY hair accessories. Without any further delay, let's get into the main video. Now let's talk about the origins or the natives of the opposite spring blooms while we complete our DIY hair accessories. So first are the daffodils. They were originated in Western Europe and parts of Northern Africa. Next are the tulips, originated in the mountainous regions of Central Asia, particularly in areas like Kazakhstan and surrounding countries. Third is the hyacinth, originated in the Eastern Mediterranean region, specifically Turkey, Lebanon, and Syria. Fourth is the crocus. They are native to the Mediterranean region, including the Alps, southern Europe. Fifth is the lily of the valley, native to Eurasia and Eastern North America. Sixth is the iris, originating in Europe, the Middle East, Northern Africa, Asia, and North America. Seventh is the forsythia, native to China, Japan, and Southeast Europe. Eighth is the azalea, native to Asia, Europe, and North America. Ninth is the lilac, native to Balkans, Southeastern Europe, and temperate Asia. Tenth is the magnolia, which is native to both the East and Southeast Asia, including China, and the Americas, including the southern United States. And the most famous, the rose or the roses, they were basically originated in Asia, specifically in China. So that's it about the origins and natives of the opposite flower. And while I've completed my information, I'm almost done with my DIY hair accessories. Now, as you can see, I'm joining the petals of the flower or the rose, which will look like this after gluing. And now, do keep watching, enjoy the video. After attaching the U-pin to the end of the last petal, start rolling the last petal with the U-pin like this. And next, take any kind of print colored clothing or a cloth or a fabric, cut in triangular pieces, and then twist and turn and glue them to the flower. So you can see how I'm doing it.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
And now the final click. I have wore it in a performance day. So all the art materials you will get from your local stationery stores or shops and from the online store. This DIY hair accessories just cost me, like we already have pins for our hair at home, we need to buy it, we don't need to buy it from outside. Just cost me in average 20 rupees maybe, because I haven't used the whole ribbon. The whole ribbon cost me 10 rupees. The gum, one of the gum cost me, the Fevicol Old Fix cost me I think 50 rupees, and the other one I don't remember, but it's a way back purchase, so I don't remember the, maybe it was within 100 or below 100, I don't remember. So you need not to buy hair accessories spending whole lots of money. And if you have got any questions, any feedback, leave them in the comment section. I will definitely reply to all of you and help you out with your queries. And I hope you have enjoyed this video from the Botanical Art from the Spring Season Series 2025. Do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for new notifications and for such more delightful videos. Do like and share. So, signing off from Blooming Gusto, Relish Life with me. Love you all. Bye bye. Take care.